Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today I will be showing you around this approved used Audi Q3 S line 45 TFSI quattro. It comes finished in the stunning chronos grey, sure to turn heads when on the road, and to the rear you have the privacy glass, adding a touch of mystery to the car's profile. Standing on 19-inch alloy wheels with the 5 twin-spoke dynamic design, making a bold statement with every turn. For added convenience, with just a push of the button, the power-operated tailgate makes loading and unloading a breeze. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your everyday to-day needs, as well as those larger items such as pushchairs and suitcases. To the rear you have the stylish leather and cloth upholstery, with a centre armrest with 2 handy cup holders for those longer journeys, and the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. Taking a look around, as you can see, there is plenty of head and leg space for both children and adults alike. To the front of the cabin you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash the MMI multimedia display and climate control system. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather and cloth upholstery with the iconic S and Boss logo and front centre armrest. Behind the wheel you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips and a gear shift pedal for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as a variety of your favourite DAB and FM radio stations to choose from, connection of your mobile phone device to stay in touch with friends and family, and a wide view of the satellite navigation map, so no need to take your eyes off the road. The MMI multimedia display going into the car menu with Audi Drive Select to choose your preferred driving mode, such as dynamic for a more sporty drive or comfort for those longer journeys. Parking aid with rear volume settings of low, medium and high to help fit in those tight spaces, and driver assist to give you those pre-warnings on the road ahead. Media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place. Radio to choose from your favourite DAB and FM radio stations. And the navigation map to help you easily find your desired destination. Below you have the dual zone climate control, so both driver and passenger can choose a preferred temperature regardless of the weather outside. Stay connected on the go with the 2 USB charging ports, so all your devices are powered up and ready to go. Finished off with the all-important automatic gearbox with the electric parking brake, adding a modern flair to the car's profile, and 2 cup holders for those morning coffees. If this is the car for you, call our friendly team today on 01782 488 205. Thank you.